Meaning of hypoxia.
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 Hypoxia. Hypoxia is a medical term that refers to a condition where there is a lack of oxygen supply to the body's tissues. This can occur due to lung diseases, heart problems, or high altitude. The symptoms of hypoxia include shortness of breath, confusion, rapid heartbeat, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. If left untreated, hypoxia can lead to tissue damage or death. Treatment for hypoxia typically involves addressing the underlying cause and providing supplemental oxygen to the patient. It is important to seek medical attention immediately if you suspect hypoxia.